Good morning, children. How are you? I hope that you are fine at home and happy. This is the panic situation. That's why don't go outside. Stay home, stay safe. Now, in previous class, I described about the food components. Now we have discussed about the topic name is lesson name is acids and bases. So we know that we are eating at home. What are you eating at home? At lunch time, break time, dinner time. Generally we are eating the different types of the food items. Are they same in taste and color? Tell me, how many members in your family? Just like your father, mother, your sisters, brothers and relatives. Are they liking same type of the food? Are they liking the same type of taste of the food items? Tell me. Are you liking same color of the items? No. Everybody are liking different types of the food items. Just like I like idli or dosa. What do you like? Are they same in taste? Tell me. Just like your friend, are you like your same way taste of the food? No. So, different types of the people are liking the different types of the taste of food items. For example, for your birthday functions or in marriages, are they liking same? They are preparing same type of the food items? Tell me. No, no children. So that means by they are liking different types of the food taste of the items. So that means there are different tastes of the food items. Now we have to discuss about the different types of the food taste of the items. What are they means? They are, first one is different tastes of food items. Some food items are sweet in nature. Some food items are sour in nature. Some food items are bitter taste. Some food items are salty in taste. Some food items are there any other food taste? Yes, spicy is the another food taste of the items. Any other food items are there? No. These are all taste of the food items. Example for this, for sweet, tomato sweets, mangoes are sweets in taste. So many fruits and vegetables are sweet in taste. Some taste of the food items are, for example, there are different tastes of the food items. Some are the sweet, some are the sour, virus also. That's why you must take the lemon juice by mixing of the honey every day at early morning after brushing. That is good health for your body also. That gives the immunity power to face the COVID-19 disease. So, which taste that present? Source taste present. Next type of the taste of food item is bitter. Bitter taste of food items are present in bitter gourd, snake gourd, neem. Whenever you have to touch the neem fruit, how is it? Can you taste it? How is it? That is in bitter in position. Bitter taste will come inside of your body. Next, salty. For every curry we are using the salt. Without salt we can't prepare any food item curry. So that's why salt must be present in dry fruits and salt. So the chemical name of the salt is sodium chloride. What do you say? Sodium chloride. Next type of the taste of food item name is spicy. So where will we come? This is present in chili powder, chilies and garlic and ginger. For example, we are preparing biryani. Which type of ingredients are using in biryani? Biryani leaves, garlic paste, ginger paste and next chili powder, masala powder. These are all spicy taste. That's why these are the all different tastes of the food items. Are they same in raw fruit and ripe fruit? Tell me. Raw fruit means pachiga unde pandu. Ripe fruit means pandina pandu. So, for example, can you take raw mango? How is it in taste? That is in sour in taste. Same like that. Ripe mango fruit will be take. How is it? That is in sweet in taste. That means same kind of the fruit contains the different tastes of the foods. Different colors of the food also. For example, ripe mango fruit you have to see how is it? That is yellow in color. And raw mango fruit how is it? That is in green color. That means they are different in colors also. That's why we have to discuss now color change in material. How is it possible? How they changes in colors? Now we have to discuss by doing of the experiment. Now we have discussed the topic name is color change. Color change means we notice that turmeric changes the color when soap water or lime water is added to it. Then it changes some color. Now I am showing by using of the experiment, by doing of the experiment. Look at here. See here, I took a white paper and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is making as a paste and apply on the white paper. That means just like rubbed on the white paper and it turns as a just like the yellow in color. That means turmeric substance is present on the paper. After that I took the lemon juice. Lemon juice is applied on this paper. How it changes we have to observe. By using of brush or bird you can draw any drawing of the figure on this paper. How it changes you have to see. Slowly I am applying the lemon juice on this paper, but there is no change in color. That means some substances only changes the color. In this case, this is not possible. That means lemon juice is applied on the turmeric paper. There is no change in the color. But I took another substance, that is the soap water. So soap water is applying on the turmeric paper. How it changes, you have to see. Slowly it changes in red in color. That means turmeric changes the color when soapy water is added to it. That means in this case it changes the colors. Now I am spraying on this paper. See here how it changes. That changes is just like red in color. That means some substances are changes in color on the turmeric paper. That means what we notice? We notice that turmeric changes the color when soap water or lime water. This is available in laboratory. Afterwards I will show in lab. Now I applied here soap water only. So after soap water, by applying of the soap water on turmeric paper, it changes as red in color, just like this, by doing of this experiment. So this is possible for by adding of other substances also, that changes their color. That means what do you understand? Whenever turmeric is added to some type of substances, that changes the color. That changing of color is called the color change. Here we are using that substance. What is that substance? Turmeric substance. Like this, the changing in color, that is called the color change. This is possible in other substances also. At home you have to take another type, different type of the substances and apply on turmeric paper like this. See here, in this way you have to apply on this paper. But not the turmeric, you have to take also hibiscus flower petals or rose flower petals also. There are also changes whenever you have to add in the different types of the substances. What will we get? That result you have to note down in notes. When the turmeric paper turns as red in color is when another substance is added, soapy water is added to this, then it changes as red in color. That means here something change in color. That means we are using some material. What is that material? Turmeric material are using. Turmeric substance are using. This type of the change in turmeric material is change in the substance, that is called the indicator. Change, that means the substances that indicates in change in color when we are adding some substances to them, those are called the indicators. So indicator means, once again I am repeating, indicators means when our substances, just like I took the turmeric substance here. Turmeric substance indicates the change in color. when we are adding the soap water, that substance, that means turmeric substance is called a indicator. For example, in the same process, turmeric paper is added to soapy water, it changes in red in color. I did this experiment. In the same process, turmeric paper is added to lime water that changes in another color. This experiment we will do in laboratory because that chemical is available in lab only. That means here turmeric substance is natural indicator, that is coming from naturally. That's why turmeric paper is called the natural indicator. Natural indicator. In the same process, so many examples of natural indicators are there. Here I took turmeric paper. In another cases, we have to take hibiscus flowers or rose petals. Can you use those also? Those are called the natural indicators because they are occurring naturally. So instead of turmeric paper, can use the hibiscus flower petals or rose flower petals also. You have to, what change formed in this substance, you have to do that substance at home. Once again, I am repeating the definition of the indicator means the substances that indicate change in color when substances are added them. The substances that indicates the change in color. That means turmeric substance is added to soapy substance, then change in color. Once again, I am repeating the definition of the indicator means the substances that indicate change in color when substances are added them. The substances that indicates the change in color. That means turmeric substance is added to soapy substance, then change in color. What are the indicators means? The substances that indicates a change in color when substances are added to them are called the indicators. For example, I took here what is the substance? Turmeric substance. That turmeric substance must be added to another substance. What is that another substance? Soapy water. Soapy water is added to turmeric substance. Turmeric substance is added to soapy water. Soapy water. Then what color changes? Red color changes. That's why this turmeric substance is what is called the turmeric substance? That is called the indicator. That means turmeric paper is called the natural indicator. So this is definition for the indicator. This is example for the indicator. That means turmeric paper is example for the indicator. Now we have to discuss about the topic name is litmus paper. Litmus paper is working as just like indicators. So these are the litmus paper of the red and this is litmus paper of the blue. Now by using of these papers we will add to some type of the substances like soap water, lemon juice, keera, tomato, sugar, salt. So by testing of these we have to add to these substances. How can it changes? We have to observe now. Look at this table. Now test with red and blue litmus papers. How it changes? It changes. Where it changes we have to observe, and where it changes we have to pick up otherwise keep as into. So first now I took the blue litmus paper. See here, this is the blue litmus papers and red litmus papers. These are available in bookshops, or you want bring at bookshops. At home also you have to check so many substances and check once again how it changes. Now I took the blue litmus paper. Now I am testing with the soap water. How it changes? See here carefully. Changes some red in color. Are they change? Tell me. Red color changes or colorless changes? There is no change in color. That means keep into in this litmus paper. Now we have to take red litmus paper and touch it to soap water. Now we have to see how it changes. See here, half of the paper is red in color, half of the paper is blue in color. That means changes in color. That means we have to tick here. No change in litmus paper. That is tick into because it changes in red litmus paper. That means whenever we have to touch the indicator, litmus paper is added to soap water, it turns as blue in color. When red litmus paper touches to soap water, it changes into blue in color. Next, another example. I took now lemon juice. Lemon juice. Now I have to take the litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. Lemon water. Lemon water. Blue litmus paper. Whether change red or not, we have to observe. Yes, it changes in red in color. This is blue in color, this is red in color. That means it changes in red in color. Now this is the lemon juice. Lemon juice. Now I am taking red litmus paper. Now I am keeping in lemon. How it changes? There is no change. See here. But in blue litmus paper, it changes as red in color. That means lemon juice, it changes as red in color. When blue litmus paper is added to lemon juice, it turns as a red in color. That's why we have to pick up here in the table. That means blue litmus paper turns to red. You have to pick up. Paper doesn't change as blue. That's why keep into. Now no change in litmus. That's why we have to keep into. Next I am taking the next substance name is tomato. Tomato, see here. Already I did the making as a juice. Tomato juice. Now I am taking one red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. I am keeping in tomato juice. See here, in blue it changes as red, but in red litmus paper there is no changing. That's why where will we tick up? Again we have to tick up in it doesn't change in red litmus paper. That means no change in litmus. Next, I am taking the next food item substance is Kira. Kira, see here. Already I did as a juice. Now I am taking the red litmus and blue litmus. I am keeping in the same manner. Here blue litmus paper changes as red in color, but red litmus paper doesn't changes. That means this one also pick up in blue litmus paper turns to red, but it doesn't changes in red litmus paper. That's why I am keeping as a into, and no change in litmus paper. Already it changes in blue litmus. That's why I am keeping here into. Now I am taking the next item is I am taking mineral water. So this mineral water I am taking in cap of the water bottle. Now I am taking blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. Now I am keeping in mineral water. How it changes? See here. This one as a mineral water. Mineral water changes as light red color. That means either pink or red color. See carefully. Slowly it changes as a pink or light red in color. That's why we have to take up here in blue litmus paper turns to red. It doesn't changes in red litmus paper. That's why I am keeping it into. No change in litmus paper, we are keeping as into. Like this, you have to take any other food item substances and test with the litmus paper how it changes. You have to write in a table. I will give in assignment. Once again I am repeating test with the red and blue litmus paper. Now only we have done how changes in red litmus paper and red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. These litmus papers of bundle available in bookshop, or you want buy at the bookshop. And next I am taking the substances. What are those? Tomato, mineral water, lemon juice, Kira, soap water. How it changes? I kept it in blue litmus paper. It turns as a red in color. That's why I tick here. In red litmus paper, when I took the red litmus paper, it doesn't changes as a blue. That's why I put into mark. And next, there is no change in litmus. Already here changing. Here that changing. That's why I kept here into. Next substance name is mineral water. When mineral water is added to blue litmus, it changes as red in color. That's why I pick up, and it doesn't changes. That's why I keep the into. This one also keep into. Next substance is I took the lemon juice. By testing of this lemon juice, is added to blue litmus. It changes as red in color. That's why I pick up. But if there is no changing in red litmus paper, that's why I keep into mark in both tables. Next, I took the next, there is no changing in color. That's why I put the into marks here. Next, soap water. Already we have done the experiment on turmeric paper. In this case also, soap water is added to blue litmus. There is no change. I keep the into mark, but it changes in red litmus changes to blue litmus. That's why I am keeping as tick up mark. And there is no change in litmus means I keep the into mark. So you can test with red and blue litmus paper. Take another type, different types of the food items. Now I am giving as assignment by based on the class, this class. So what is the first question? What are the indicators? Already I explained about the indicators. What are indicators? You have to write the definition of the indicators and give an example of natural indicators. Already I told the turmeric is one of the natural indicator. Like this, I gave an example for remaining. Also, you have to write what are the natural indicators by based on explanation of the lesson. Next question. Second question. Turmeric stains on white cloths. For example, on Friday you are wearing the white uniform. On white uniform, whenever turmeric stains, turmeric water will be fall on the white uniform. How will it changes after washing? You have to observe and write out this answer. Why it changes as red in color? So you have to explain that reason. Already we have done here. What is the reason? You have to write now. See here how it changes. By this experiment you have to observe. This is example for this question. So reason write down. What is that reason? So I hope you understand the explanation of the lesson. So practice well the answers, practice the lesson and write correct answers for this question.